Okay guys, today I will demonstrate you that how you can uninstall or delete any application from your Mac operating system. Like I have explained or demonstrated in my installation of the applications video, that the installation can be from two methods, can be done from two methods. The first one is the App Store and the other one is via website itself. So the deletion process may vary according to these installation methods. Okay, so for the applications that are installed via App Store, for that just go on your Launchpad or from here, and now you have to hold any application. Like when you hold, you can see the other applications start to shaking. The applications which have this cross sign here are the applications which are installed from the App Store. For the deletion of these, likewise, if I want to delete this Telegram, I will just click on this cross and then it will ask you for deletion. Then I will delete it. It will be deleted from my Mac operating system. Now for the applications which you have installed from the website, just go on the settings. Then in settings, under the general bar, you can see here the storage. Click on this. It will give you all the storage insights of your Mac. Under this you can see this applications. Just click on this. Now here are all the applications which are present on your operating system. You can delete any of them from here. Like for the video, like if I want to delete let's say if I want to delete this or this Spotify, I will just click on here and delete it. Sometimes it may ask for the passwords or sometime it may not. If it asks for the password, kindly give it and the application will be uninstalled from your system. Thank you. This was the video. Hope it helped you.